नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू बोलो इंग्लिश। आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं वैसे सेंटेंसेस जो डेली यूज में आते हैं। प्रैक्टिस करो मेरे साथ, आपके डेली लाइफ में यूज होने वाले सेंटेंसेस हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। और हाँ, अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। लेट्स स्टार्ट। व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? वेयर आर यू? Where are you? How are you? How are you? I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I will be there in 5 minutes. I'll be there in 5 minutes. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. I'm getting late. I'm getting late. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What happened? What happened? What happened? Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. I have no idea. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Yeah, I'll think about it. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I'll message you. I'll message you. I'll message you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No problem. No problem. No problem. That is fine. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. I agree with you. I agree with you. I agree with you. I don't agree. I don't agree. I don't agree. I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Yes, I'm thirsty. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, look at this. Keep it here. Keep it here. Keep it here. Take it. Yeah, take it. Take it. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? That's a good idea. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. तो ये थे सेंटेंसेस जो आप डेली लाइफ में यूज करते हो, और आप अगर इनकी प्रैक्टिस करते हो, रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करते हो, तो यकीन मानिए आपकी फ्लुएंसी अच्छी होगी। और डे टू डे लाइफ में अगर आप रेगुलरली यूज करेंगे इन वर्ड्स को, आप जब रेगुलर किसी से बात करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये सेंटेंसेस आपके मुंह से निकलनी शुरू हो जाएगी। ठीक है, और दैट इज अ गुड साइन ऑफ इंप्रूविंग योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल। और यू कैन से ये वो सेंटेंसेस हैं जो ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे यूज में आते हैं, रेगुलर यूज में आते हैं। सी यू सून इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। टेक केयर, बाय बाय। हाँ, अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ शेयर कीजिए।